So first I'm going to start with primer, and today's primer that I'm going to use is the Smashbox Photo Finish. Ignore under my nail, I stained it with fake tan. But this is the Smashbox Photo Finish primer. So now that we're prepped and primed, ready for the rest of the makeup, I'm going to use my usual Urban Decay Naked Skin Colour Corrector and I'm going to apply this under the eyes just for a nice just to stop the discoloration. I'm going to put a bit much into brighten. And I usually just blend this with my finger because I feel like it warms the concealer into the skin better than using the beauty blender. You can always put that on my lip, it looks like it right now. So next I'm going to use a product I've not used before on this channel because I used it 2 days ago and I've used it twice and I love it. So I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation and I'm using the shade Porcelain, which is too dark normally, but I have fake tan on, so it should match. Let's hope it matches. Now that my skin is looking nice and even with the foundation, good fake tanning, wow. I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer under the eyes just to brighten them up, and then we shall move on. So next I'm going to use powder and to set my face, I'm going to use the Peach Blur by Too Faced to match the foundation, and I'm going to start off using a little brush to set in my T-zone and under my eyes, and then I'll use a big fluffy brush to set the rest of the face. And I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder just all over the face with a big brush. I'm going to bronze, and to do that I'm going to use the Benefit Colour Bronzer and a smallish, medium-sized fluffy brush. I'm just going to follow that. I'm going to take my big fluffy brush and blend it out. So now that we've done our bronzer, that's the word I'm looking for, we can move on to eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Adeline Mullen by Tarte palette. I've already done this eye, so I'm going to show you how I did it and do this eye. So first, I have just taken the shade Adele Angels and just put it all over the lid to kind of set it, the concealer and everything. Even though I did it with powder, I just want to be double sure. And then I take the shade Mama Morin, which is this one here, and just start lightly putting it in the crease. And then blend it out. And then just keep doing that over and over until you get the desired effect you want. Where's it gone? Next, I'm taking the Too Faced Sketch Marker You're So Too Faced Black Liquid Art Eyeliner and creating a winged look. I've gone like right into the inner corner and out. I'm going to go off camera to do this because it always goes well when I do it on camera. So I'll be back with eyeliner on in just a second. Okay, so that is probably the best wing liner I'm going to get today. I've been at it for like 15 minutes and it's not worked. I need to add some concealer under this eye again because I rubbed it off about a million times. Let's just add a little bit of concealer. Beautiful. They're done. And then I'm going to take the highlight shade in this called Promise Ring and do just underneath the brow bone, ready for when we do the brows. Beautiful. So Insta Baddies seem to have like really dark outer and faded inner brows. We're going to attempt that. I've never ever tried this style of brow before. So let's see how it goes. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow pomade in the shade 3. And let's just hope that it works. I don't look completely ridiculous. I feel like I look crazy. So I'll do the other brow and then I'll be right back. Okay, so brows done. They're meant to be. The smell looks good. This brow not so much. But it's fine because not everything in life can be perfect. So next we shall do highlight. For this look, choose Promise Ring. Ooh. I'm going to add setting spray now to just sink the powder based makeup onto my face and so that it doesn't ruin my mascara. So I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Just did mascara, and I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I promise this video is not sponsored by Too Faced. I wish it was. But yeah, that's what I did with my lashes. They don't look great, but I'll fix them at some point. It's the best I could do. So for lips, I'm going to use the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pasadena, and I literally use this one that much. The name has come off the bottom almost. So I'm just going to put my hat on and get dressed, and I'll show you the final look. So this is with the hat on. You can see the back of my outfit. I'm going to spin you around and show you the rest of my outfit. So I'm going to literally flip you guys around because me spinning around actually did nothing. 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the outfit. I need to add the shoes. The bodysuit is from Amazon. These are from Zara. The hat is from River Island. And I just did it in a ponytail. And I feel very cute. Yes. Yes. Vogue, Vogue, Vogue. Jokes. So I'm going to go out now and I'll see you guys later. Bye.